Whimsical Learning Academy.
Whoa!
Let's learn our shapes.
Whoa!
Shapes, shapes all around. Look at all the shapes we found. Triangle, circle, square. Hearts and stars are everywhere. Shapes, shapes all around. Let's see what shapes we found.
Great singing! Now, let's meet each shape one by one. Say hello when you see the shape. This is a triangle. Can you say triangle? Good job! A triangle has 3 sides. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3. Look, a slice of pizza is shaped like a triangle. Yum! Here's our friend, the square. A square has 4 sides that are all the same size. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A sticky note is a square. Squares are so much fun. This is a diamond. Doesn't it look like a kite? A diamond has 4 sides too, but it's tilted like it's dancing. Can you fly a kite like a diamond? Wow, look at this star! Stars have 5 points. Can you wiggle your fingers like twinkling stars? Stars remind us of the night sky. Here comes the circle. A circle is round with no corners at all. It just keeps going around and around. Let's spin like a circle. A ball is shaped like a circle. Do you like playing with balls? Here's an oval. It looks like a stretched out circle, kind of like an egg. Can you make an oval shape with your hands? Good job! Whoa, this is a heart! A heart shows love. Let's draw a heart in the air with our fingers. Ready? 1 curve, 2 curves, with a point at the bottom. Awesome job! Some Valentine's cards and balloons given to people we love are often shaped like hearts. Here's our rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 are long and 2 are short. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A book is shaped like a rectangle. What other rectangles do you see around you? Excellent job learning your shapes! Now, let's sing and dance to our shape song. Are you ready?
Shapes, shapes all around. Look at all the shapes we found. Triangle, circle, square. Hearts and stars are everywhere. Shapes, shapes all around. Let's see what shapes we found.
You did amazing today. You're now shape experts. Shapes are everywhere, so keep looking for them. Thank you for learning with me at Whimsical Learning Academy. See you next time. Bye!